Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Boxy Boo in the box. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing an angled line down to the left. Then from the right, let's bring it down. And the same thing on the left, but shorter like this. And now let's connect them at the bottom. Now let's move to the right and draw the other side of the box. From the top, let's angle it down to the right. And from the bottom, let's angle it up. And now let's close off the right side. Next, on this right side, let's add a star that's on an angle. Let's start by drawing the top of it like this. A point on the right. A larger angled one on the left. One below it, and then a shorter one on the right to close it off. Now let's move over on the left side and draw a large oval in the middle. And now above it, let's add the handle. Let's start above the oval and let's draw a backwards C-shaped curve like this. Then lines out to the left, with the bottom one being shorter. Then bring them down and add a curve at the bottom. Next, let's angle them up to the left. And then close off the end with a circle. And lastly, let's erase that overlapping line inside. Next, let's draw the lid on top. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a line up to the right. And then let's angle it down. Now from the end, let's draw a line up, another one above the point, and on the very left here. Now let's close off the left side with an angle. And the same thing to close off the right side. And now on the right, to finish off the shape of the lid, let's draw an angle back into the box. Next, inside, let's draw the eyes peeking out. Above here, let's draw a curve, and then another one inside. And color the inside in black. Now let's draw another eye to the right. And again, another curve inside. And color the inside in black as well. Next, on top of the eyes, let's draw a line across. And then a line down next to the right eye. Next, let's color the area behind the eyes in black. And that's it for Boxy Boo. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!